So I'm tired this morning. Just so much driving. I'm out there every day on the roads and it just gets exhausting. I mean, every day, all day, till dark. I'm fighting traffic. Want to come up for a minute, Jersey? Come here. Oh, see? He comes see. Look. That's done. I'm happy I have my Jersey in the mornings and it's nice and quiet in the house. He hangs around with me, which is nice. All right. I have this word here, and I'm starting back at the letter A in the keyword concordance. So the very first one that I come up with and saw was this one. I didn't do it. Adam, and I thought it was always meaning soil, but there's your English element, like, and there's your Greek. But I'll read the concordant definition. From the Hebrew element meaning like. The first human being originally of both sexes, but later separated into male and female. The progenitor and head of the human race, through whom sin entered into this earth. All right. We're going to start with Genesis. I have two passages in Genesis that I want to share with you because they're important. It's from the concordant version of the Old Testament. Genesis 1:27. And creating is the Elohim, humanity in his image. In the image of the Elohim, he creates it. Male and female, he creates them. Genesis 5:1. This is the scroll of the genealogical annals of Adam. In the day, the Elohim created Adam. In the likeness of the Elohim, he made him. Now from Paul's writings, Romans 5:14. Nevertheless, death reigns from Adam unto Moses, over those also who do not sin, in the likeness of the transgression of Adam, who is the type of him who is about to be. 1 Timothy 2:13 and 14. For Adam was first molded, thereafter Eve. And Adam was not seduced, yet the woman being deluded has come to be in the transgression. 1 Corinthians 15:45. If there is a soulish body, there's a spiritual also. Thus it is written also, the first man, Adam, became a living soul. The last Adam, a vivifying spirit. And the last one here, 1 Corinthians 15:22. For even as in Adam all are dying, thus also in Christ shall all be vivified.